Hi guys, welcome to Just Sophia. So guys, today I want to show you how to earn money by taking photos of yourself or anything else in this world, literally. Yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online, personal finance, side hustles, personal development, anything that will bring money to your table. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel to join the family. Click the notification bell to never miss a video from me. So guys, most businesses, okay, if not all, are now online. And because of that, they or we, because I also have a business online, I have a blog. So whether it is a blog, whether it is a store, whether it is a brand, just anything that has a business online needs photos, original photos, because now if you are a blogger or a website owner, you know that Google loves original photos, not these ones that are used by everyone else. Okay, so that is how you come in. You who loves taking photos, you who is a professional photographer or a novice, it doesn't even matter. Even whether you have a professional camera or just using your phone, as long as it has good resolution and it can take nice photos. Also, you also need to be keen and take clear photos. Make sure that you capture the emotions if you are taking photos of maybe people. So now, right now, if you're a photographer, for example, you will not just earn from taking photos. You don't have to wait for weddings, for graduations, for birthdays, for baby showers to actually make money. You can also make money online by uploading photos on a website called Shutterstock. So I know there are so many websites out there that you can upload photos on and sell them, but now today I am going to focus on Shutterstock. This is a video for beginners who want to sell photos online, so stay tuned. So to get started on Shutterstock, you'll go to shutterstock.com, guys. I already signed up. So if you're a new user, you'll have to click sign up. Follow the procedure of signing up first. It is a simple procedure. You just need to input your email address and your full names, and that's it. So after that, you'll come to this page. So now we have images, we have videos, music. So all these are their services. And then you'll scroll down to the end and click sell your content. When you click sell your content, it will bring you to this window. Now, don't just take photos of anything, depending on the season, on the season, whatever is happening around at that particular time. You can always get inspiration when you come to, let me see, so this month's shortlist. So now shortlist, that means what is trending currently. So you simply click here to learn more on the kind of photos that are popular at this moment. So let us see. Of course, we are in Christmas right now, and that's just a few more weeks, and then we'll get to January. So whatever is trending this December and most probably the new year. So we have aging gracefully. So right now, definitely people are inspired because of the new year, new me. So now photos of people who have decided to live their lives. We are looking for energetic, fun moments of people over the age of 50 doing a variety of activities, solo and with others. Whip up images and videos of older couples taking cooking classes with younger couples. You see. So now that is one idea. And then I have this one for New Year, New You. More people are setting out the time to focus on themselves and their mental health. So photos of people doing yoga, people exercising, people just taking care of themselves. Self-care videos will be in popular demand. Then we have transformation in video. So now this is a video idea. So there's no medium like video for showing the evolution of everyday scenes. You see, like this video here. Yeah, so zoom in a room, parties in a flash, seasons in seconds, winter, spring, summer, life passing by, people aging from childhood to adulthood. So those are the kind of videos that you can create during these times. And then we have lived in interior. So you get the idea. So you come here and check whatever is trending at that particular time, and then you make a list of it, and then now you can make videos or photos depending on that. So now when you want to, after you have gotten an idea of what kind of photos or videos you want to make, you can come here and start uploading. So you simply click upload. Simply click upload. Of course, that means that you already have the needed photos, and then you'll simply click. Of course, you'll have saved it to your computer. You just follow the procedure to upload it here. So now what happens is that when someone comes and buys your photos or your videos, you earn a commission from that. So guys, that is the simple procedure of uploading your photos on Shutterstock and earning from it. Just make sure that you are focusing on topics that are trending currently, just the way I have shown you on the website. Also make sure that your photos are clear, guys, because now there's a lot of competition in this niche. So make sure your photos are crispy and just nice looking. If you are capturing, for example, a photo of you, make sure you are focusing on your emotions at that particular time, so that you can give exactly what the possible clients are looking for. So guys, that is one of the ways of making money online. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned something. I hope that you can use your smartphone in a wise way and make money by taking photos. And comment down below how you thought about this video, if you have done this kind of a hustle or online hustle, and any other idea that you want me to talk about. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you being here, especially for my returning subscribers. Let's meet in the next video, okay? Bye.